When you are renovating, it's tempting to do it yourself, especially at the moment when the tradespeople are, in high demand and hard to get hold of.
Yes.
What are those do's and don'ts when you are going to renovate? Should I be wiring up the place myself, for example?
Well, I've got to say, all of these renovation shows have got a lot to answer for, Dean. Lots of hospital visits, as well as some very dodgy renovations. So, look, there's absolutely some work that you can undertake very safely, but there's a bunch of work you shouldn't even entertain. So things like plumbing, electrical work, and also things like building a garage and structures. You really want to make sure that you are using someone who's properly qualified and properly licensed. That's going to be really important, because when the time comes to sell, if you don't do something properly, it can lead to contract termination and potentially also, putting aside legal and contractual issues, it may even lead to loss of life or an injury of some kind if you haven't performed that work properly.
Yeah, great.
Hi, I'm Antonia Mercorella, CEO of the Real Estate Institute of Queensland. Thanks so much for watching this video, which is a segment from Prop IQ, a show produced by the REIQ to help provide insights into real estate for both people in the industry and consumers. I'd love it if you could subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you'll get notified whenever we post a new video. Speaking of new videos, you might want to check out this one next.